What's up, Silky Smooth gang? Back at you guys with another video. So today we're getting ready to pull the Corvette out on the Ford Giottos for the first time. But I'm gonna drop this video after I drop the rebuild video, because we gotta go get the tire sensors programmed. They already installed them in the tires when I was building the rims. So we're gonna get that done right now. We're gonna get ready to pull this bad boy out. You wanna get the cold start? And also, let me get this thing unlocked. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. That way you don't miss any videos. We'll see y'all right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Okay, I got a memory card. We're good to go. Should have checked that before I turned y'all on. But it's right up the road, guys. It's not too far from here, probably like 10 minutes. And yeah, we're on Ford Giotto. Pull on out. I torqued down the lug nuts off camera. I checked the air pressure. Hopefully we good. There. Yes, sir. You can show them us driving, Waddy. We can flip it up. Like, everybody know that lane closed, and then they be trying to stay over there to the last minute. I hate when they do that. Then you gotta wait for everybody to get over. No, you supposed to be in the left lane. Pop, 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 pop. Alright, guys, it's out of school time. We'll probably turn y'all back on here in a minute when we get there. Alright, we got out of that little traffic. Now we almost there. I think we got one more light, and that's it. So this light that we're passing now, it'll be up here on the left hand side. This is the tire guys. So if you're in the West Texas area, come check them out. Quick in and out, quick service. Never really too busy. Everywhere else, oh my goodness, it's packed. I mean, you're gonna be there. You're gonna be there for half a day. Yes, sir. But we're coming up to it. Left hand side right here. They do got a pothole out here they need to get fixed. Hopefully I can make it up this. Think I can make it up there?
I heard that.
Alright. Jump out, Waddy. Alright, guys, we're gonna get these sensors set real quick. Let me go in the front. What's going on, my man?
What's up, buddy? What you got going over there?
I'm trying to get them sensors set.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Chaz? Yeah, you don't need to move it or anything, man.
Okay, I got the receipt. I don't need it.
Yeah, I already got you.
Okay. All right, appreciate it. All right, guys, they're gonna get them set for us real quick. Looks good, man. It looks way better, huh? Hey, let me get this thumbnail real quick. Okay, well, how to get me on the thumbnail. What's going on? You turn it off?
Actually, can you go in there to the show you what individual airplanes or whatever, and then at that, and then hold down your Facebook, and it'll do one of those ones. What? Can you get it ready just 1 second?
That's what you're talking about?
Does it show you? Go yeah, to the whole deal where it shows you all 4 of them usually. Is the light on right now?
Yep.
It is on? Okay.
Oh, it did? Okay.
Are your houses on the back side?
They on the back side.
They picked up automatically. Turn your wheel over. Turn your wheel this way. Specs?
Yeah.
You don't want to do nice, you want to do what the car wants.
Oh, okay.
Right down black.
30. It is 30.
All the way around. Yeah, 30 all the way around.
Good?
Now they're all in the right spot.
Heck yeah. I appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, they came out good, man. I was pretty excited about it. Yeah, go ahead. Y'all getting free promotion right now.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all come over here to the tire guys. I'll take care of y'all real quick.
The sign right over there.
There it is, the tire guys. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. So he got all the sensors set, guys. Everything's programmed. So I ain't gotta worry about that light no more. I don't know who it is, probably. Hey, thank you. All right. You too. Appreciate it. He just getting the air set right. Then we'll be out. Make it back out. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna exit. I'm probably gonna back out right here. Don't hit nothing.
Fast out here.
Yeah? Nah. Maybe racing off the 191 area.
That was green.
Yeah. It's green now. Go ahead. Yeah, y'all come check out the tire, guys. They're gonna address. Alright guys, we got the sensors done. Ain't gotta worry about that stupid light no more. We'll get a little pull for y'all real quick. Alright. So alright guys. Down, shift on down. We got a basketball game. My daughter's basketball game, so gotta go do that. And then I think the next video y'all will see is I don't know yet, cause I got some surprises, guys. So, but hey, y'all already know the routine. Appreciate y'all rocking with the Silky Smooth Gang. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.